This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to build an impressive Lego BMW M4. We'll start by preparing all the necessary pieces, then move through the construction process step by step. You'll discover helpful tips for connecting bricks securely and achieving the iconic M4 shape. Get ready to transform a pile of Lego into a fantastic display model. Let's begin this exciting building adventure together. Before diving into the build, it's crucial to gather all your Lego elements. You'll need a variety of standard bricks, plates, and specialized pieces to capture the BMW M4's unique design. Sorting your bricks by color and size will save you significant time and frustration later on. A clean, organized workspace also makes the entire building experience much more enjoyable and efficient. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Begin by following the instructions precisely, focusing on the correct placement and orientation of each brick. Pay special attention to the chassis and bodywork, as these form the foundation of your M4. Connecting bricks firmly and evenly will ensure your model is robust and looks fantastic. Take your time, enjoy the process, and watch your BMW M4 take shape. With the main structure complete, it's time to add those crucial finishing touches that bring your Lego BMW M4 to life. Attach the mirrors, spoilers, and any interior details to give it that authentic look. Once finished, take a moment to admire your work and ensure everything is securely in place. For more great content and to find deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Now, find the perfect spot to showcase your incredible Lego masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.